dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your moral science teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great. Let's start today's video, but before it you have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. Let's start today's video. Student, in the last video we have discussed about the child rights, okay, different child rights, and today we are going to discuss about body ownership. In the body ownership I will explain you that how your body is important. Clear? So let's start the video. Student, first of all you should come to know that what is body ownership. Body ownership means your body belongs to you. Okay, it means you are the boss of your body. You are the caretaker and protector of your body. Your body is your first responsibility. What do you mean? That every part of your body belongs to you only. If you are hungry, then obviously you have to eat food. If you are feeling lazy, then you have to take rest. Okay. If you feel the pain, if you who will feel the pain? If you will get hurt, you are the only one. Okay. If I am hungry, I ask your mouth to eat for me. No, only I have to eat. If I feel tired, can your body rest for me? No? Yes, only I have to take rest. Okay, student. And if you want to do homework, so who will do that homework? Your hand only. Student, if you want to play, then you have to use your legs, your hand. It means what? Who is with you all the time? Your body. That's why you are the owner of your body. You are the boss of your body. You have the ownership over your body. Clear to you? You can see this is your body. Some parts are there, internal, external. So this image you can understand body parts are there. Now through this image you can see this is the internal body parts which are very important also. Like your heart is there, then lung. Okay, then your liver is there, intestine, okay student, kidney, so many other, like mind is there from right side, the first one, upper side. After that your stomach is there, pancreas, small intestine. It means what? That they all are your important internal body parts, and each and every have a different or unique function also. Student, to perform a single task, many organs come together and make it possible. Like take example of digestion. If somebody is hungry, obviously they have to eat food, but we can't say eat directly enter to my stomach, or we can say no. We have to use our hand, then we will put it in our mouth, then it will break down by our jaws with the help of jaws and teeth, then it will enter through the food pipe to our stomach, then again it will break down. Okay, some other processes are also there, then it will go to intestine, long and small. After that excretion part is there. It means what? To perform a single task, all body parts have to work like a team, then only one task is possible. Okay students, so we can understand that some external body part and all the internal body parts, both are important. They both complement each other. Without the presence in absence of anyone, the work can't be possible. Clear? So the both are very important. Like this in our life also, if we all work as a team, then the work can be done in a better way. Okay, like in your classroom also, everybody is responsible. If we can't say that only monitor and teacher will look after the work, if everybody will realize their duty and they will perform it in a proper way, then the class performance can become better. Okay, and the work can be also done in an effective manner. So remember this, teamwork is very important. So some points to be remember here, that early to bed, early to rise, keep a body healthy, wealthy and wise. This you all know. So go to sleep at proper time and wake up also early in the morning. To keep your body fit, you should exercise regularly. We all have to exercise little bit. clean your body regularly and eat healthy food. This is must. Avoid junk food, beta. Okay, oily, fried food. You have to eat the good food, healthy food. Now we are going to discuss about the chapter that is body ownership. Already I have discussed this chapter with you people in the WebEx session, so I'm not going to explain it very much. Only summary I'm going to revise you again. Okay, like those who missed the WebEx class, so it will be helpful for them. In this story, one character is there, Karma. So he was so lazy. So one day he just woke up and he saw a very strange person near to him, and he said that his name is what, Bhanjkari. And then he asked that, you meet your destiny. Then obviously the Karma was surprised and responded that, to be poor is my only destiny. Okay, because Karma was very poor, so he said that, he was thinking that he is very poor. Then what happened? He said ki, okay, then why you are poor? Then he said that I have no farm, no cattle, no house, nothing. That's why I'm poor. Then Bhanjkari offered him so many things. Ki, okay, I will give you farm, I will give you cattle, I will give you house, but you have to give some body parts to me. Your body parts, like your ear, nose, okay, tongue. So can you give me? Then Karma replied ki, how I can give? Then how I will smell, how I will talk, how I will walk? Then he said, then how you thought that you are poor? If you are not taking any wealth, anything in the world in exchange of your body part, it means your body parts are more important than these things. So you are very rich, you are not poor. Then after this, Karma realized that really he was not aware about all these things, and he said that now onwards I will start respecting my body parts, okay, and as they are my true wealth. Okay, student. Then he thanked Bhanjkari and set out to earn a honest living. So the moral of this story is that every body part has a role to play. We must respect each body part. One homework I gave you in the WebEx session also, that you have to find the difficult word meanings and write in the book only. I'm going to ask in the WebEx session. Okay, still if you are having any query, any problem, you can ask in the WebEx session, as well as you can ask in the comment box of my YouTube channel. Clear? So student, take care. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.